kimchi bacon fried rice. Cut the bacon up in thin slices. The next part is kimchi. I'd say we're going to do about 1.5 to 2 cups, kind of just depending on preference. Doesn't have to be too finely chopped, but definitely break it down. Okay. You see kind of what it breaks into. Just smaller pieces. Something you want to bite into. You don't want big old pieces of cabbage. Okay, so we got 1/2 cup of soy sauce. Fish sauce, secret ingredient. Do just about till it hits another line right there. Alright, we're getting pretty close because we don't want the bacon cooked fully because we're going to add the kimchi. That's going to cool the pan and it's all going to kind of blend together and cook together. And we'll probably add that in about 1 minute. Okay, bacon's starting to get crisp but not completely done. All we do now is add the kimchi. And just a heads up, we're on medium heat and on medium heat the whole time. We're going to keep stirring it every so often to see this moisture kind of cook off. Get that flavor blend. Now if you can see in there, we had a pretty good ratio of bacon to kimchi. You could have had more bacon, you could have had less kimchi. It's in any direction you want to go. I stole this off of, I adapted it off of YouTube, so you could always go 6, 7, 8 slices of bacon if you want. 1 cup of kimchi. Play around with it, have fun with it, and enjoy it. If you can see, a lot of the moisture's cooked off now. We're basically ready for the rice. You can do a little at a time. I wouldn't recommend just dumping the whole thing. I've done that. I kind of like to stir a little bit. We're also going to turn the heat up to medium high now. You know, sometimes I decide just not to use all the white rice. And that might be what I do this time. The white rice is clumpy, you gotta break it up. And I gotta do that without messing up my non-stick pan here. Reserve that, didn't use it all. One cup of soy sauce, about a 1/3 cup of fish sauce. Remember, we did crank it up to medium high. Now we're going to crisp up. Still on medium-high heat. Still on medium-high heat. Just want to get a little fried. Fried rice. Crispy fried rice. You could stop now and it'd be delicious, but I like to keep going at this for about another 3 to 5 minutes. See that? Couple more minutes. I'd say we're just about there. I'm gonna let it sit 1 more minute, flip 1 more time. That's it. Yes. Nice and good. Killing the heat. The heat is off. Killing the heat. I'm just gonna let it sit right here and let it rest just for a minute. sesame oil. It's been resting about a minute and a half, 2 minutes. Now we're just gonna drizzle this. Little goes a long way. A little goes a long way. That's probably good. And then just rest into it. Toasted sesame seeds. Where you at? Right there. It's whatever you want to do with it. As many or as little as you like. You don't have to use it. Green onion. I love green onion on everything. And there you have it. Kimchi bacon fried rice. Short rib. Marinated. Against the grain. Grain's running that way. Whew, so hot. You know, I was on such a good roll without breaking a yolk. And the one time I record it, of course, one breaks on me.